Insulate your garage door to improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, and make your garage more comfortable. Make sure your garage door is in good condition. Repair any damage and clean the inside surface to help the insulation adhere properly. A garage door insulation kit has all the supplies you'll need and makes this a quick project. Measure and mark the center of each door panel. Apply double-sided tape to the marked areas. Then, attach retainer clips over the tape, pressing firmly to secure. Measure the height and width of each door panel separately, as sizes may vary. Cut the insulation panels 1 to 2 inches longer than the measurement to allow for more flexibility during installation. Insert each insulation piece into its corresponding door panel, with the vinyl or reflective side facing outward. Make a small cut around each retainer clip and press the insulation so the clip pokes through. Attach the front piece of the clip to secure the insulation. With this simple upgrade, your garage will be a more comfortable and usable space.